What's going on, guys? Decelation, and today this is dry. It's time to put the doors back on this, and we finally get to see what the entire exterior is going to look like. All painted, everything. I'm pretty stoked now. All right, so yeah, we're just gonna get to work. I need to see this. This is gonna be awesome. All right, stay tuned, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, what you guys saw was me getting the doors completely back assembled. All I have to do is put the hinge ones, and I can toss the doors back on this thing. Man, this is looking good. This, after doing it a couple times, this wasn't too bad of a pain to get the lower hinge back on. I remember the first time we did it, it took us like 30 minutes, Brian and I myself doing it. So yeah, I was able to get it myself, but oh, this looks good. I can't wait to see that on this. Oh, this is gonna be amazing. Sorry it's dark. Let me get into some sunlight. I'm so stoked. All right, stay tuned. Yeah, you'll see me put the second part of the hinges onto the actual truck itself, and then I'm gonna hang the doors, and then I get to have that fun process of aligning them. Yay. Welcome back, guys. So I finally got the other side of the hinges in. They're loose. I can move them around so I can do the adjustment. Now time for the fun part. I get to put this shit on. Hopefully for the last time. Hopefully I don't have to take these doors off again. Fingers crossed, baby. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work, and you guys are gonna see me put these doors on. Welcome back, everyone. I am ecstatic right now. It's hard to put it into words. Like, man. Oh. Yes, I'm gonna show you. Whew. Man, this looks good. And after like 40 times of messing with these doors, I figured out my shortcut on how to get them to align. And look, opens up, closes. Nice and smooth, it's aligned. And the same thing on this side. Perfect. I'm so happy. So now I'm gonna go take this out of the garage. So it's kind of cloudy, but hopefully I can get a better look where, I mean, I can't even get a good idea of it like from a distance and kind of look at it. So yeah, I'm gonna take it around the corner and see if we can get a better look at it. Welcome back, guys. Man, when you get it out in like an open area and you can look at it, oh my god, this looks amazing. I'm very stoked, very happy, man. Never mind, there's a dog barking at me, but oh, he's barking at another dog. But I'm pretty stoked, guys. Like, this is looking really good. We're very close to finishing what I envisioned, and like, this is the first step. This is what I envisioned from the beginning, and man, this looks good. But I want to really thank you guys for watching. I apologize I didn't do the wiring of the dash, but I really wanted to get the body all together. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Comment down below if you like this type of video, and please subscribe if you're interested in this type of content. Have a good one, guys. Peace.